Let me say this real clear. You don't need them. They know it now. They feel it in their chest like a warning bell every time your name gets dropped. You walked away, not because you had nothing left to give, but because you realized your value wasn't up for debate. You clocked it, the disrespect, the passive aggression, the silence when you should have had an army behind you, and instead of clapping back, you ascended. And now they watch, they study, they respect, but they'll never say it out loud. Too late. You already left the table, and guess what? You were the meal she ate. Now she builds. You got a seat at a higher table now. One God prepared in the presence of every name they tried to stain yours with. Psalms 23:5. That's not poetry, that's prophecy. You're not bitter, you're better. You're not cold, you're called. And when God pulled you out, He didn't ask for permission. He snatched you out the pit so you could become the storm. You're not for everybody. And finally, you stopped apologizing for that. You don't chase, you align. You don't explain, you embody. You don't look back, you lead forward. This new version of you, she's not vengeful, she's evolved. She doesn't compete, she creates. She's not looking for revenge, she's walking in purpose. And that's why they respect you more now than they ever did when they had access. So let them watch, let them whisper, let them wonder how you healed without closure, how you glowed up without validation, how you rose up and stayed up. God's got you, and you got the assignment, finally. Now keep moving, stay rare, stay rooted, and come back here when you need reminding of exactly who you are. She's built, she's branded, she's blessed. Subscribe to your higher self every single day.